Honestly, this is not just another indicator. This is an institutional grade market intelligence indicator that was made for real traders, responsible traders, and serious traders. The mathematics behind it is very solid, 100% solid. The flows behind it are so seriously real, and the opportunities that comes with it are so very visible before the crowd for them to see. Now with this system, you are not chasing trades. You are more like positioning yourself ahead of the move with confidence scores that will strip out guesswork, and it will help you to focus only on the highest probability setups. The indicator will help you to see every currency relationship in real time, and it will help you to understand exactly why a signal triggers, and also to help you to know the precise moment when institutional activity is in your favor. You get the signal alert. Now this is your edge, mathematically validated, flow confirmed, and visually clear indicator, and it is the same type of intelligence that is used by professionals. Now it is designed so that serious traders can execute with speed, responsible traders can execute with precision, and intelligent traders can execute with confidence. The difference between an average trader and a consistently profitable one often comes down to tools, the kind of tools that they use, and the timing with which they analyze and execute trades, and the trust in the data they are able to use for their trading activity or their trading business. Now this system delivers all of the three. All three the system delivers is now. It is, if you want it, go to my Facebook channel, use the link, and find yourself get the best information about how this indicator. I want to encourage you to please follow for more. Thank you.